Ghent, a picturesque city in Belgium, is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, Brussels and Bruges. However, those who take the time to explore this hidden gem will discover a city bursting with medieval charm, artistic treasures, and a lively cultural scene. Ghent offers the perfect mix of history and modernity, making it an ideal destination for travelers seeking a unique blend of the past and present. This travel guide will take you through 12 must-see attractions in Ghent, providing a deep dive into the heart of this enchanting city. 1. Gravenstein Castle. Gravenstein Castle, or the Castle of the Counts, stands proudly in the heart of Ghent, offering a glimpse into the city's medieval past. Built in the late 12th century by Count Philip of Alsace, this imposing fortress was once the seat of power for the Counts of Flanders. The castle's thick stone walls, towers, and battlements are remarkably well preserved, allowing visitors to step back in time as they explore its many rooms and corridors. The castle's highlight is the panoramic view from the top, where you can see the entire city laid out before you. Inside, the museum offers fascinating exhibits on medieval torture devices, weapons, and armor, making for an engaging and slightly eerie experience. 2. St. Bavo's Cathedral. St. Bavo's Cathedral is one of Ghent's most significant religious landmarks, a stunning Gothic structure that has stood the test of time for over 1,000 years. This cathedral is home to one of the most famous artworks in the world, the Adoration of the Mystic Lamb by the Van Eyck brothers. This masterpiece, also known as the Ghent altarpiece, is a monumental and intricately detailed polyptych that draws art lovers from around the globe. In addition to the Ghent altarpiece, the cathedral houses numerous other artistic treasures, including works by Peter Paul Rubens. Its soaring ceilings, intricate stained glass windows, and serene atmosphere make St. Bavo's Cathedral a must-visit for both art and architecture enthusiasts. 3. Grassley and Corenly. The twin quays of Grassley and Corenly are arguably the most picturesque spots in Ghent, lined with beautifully preserved medieval guild halls that reflect the city's prosperous past as a major trading center. These quays, which run along the banks of the Lys River, offer a peaceful place to stroll, relax, or enjoy a coffee at one of the many outdoor cafes. Whether you visit during the day or in the evening when the buildings are illuminated, the ambiance here is magical. Take a boat tour along the river for a different perspective of the city's stunning architecture, and you'll see why Grassley and Corenly are among the most photographed locations in Ghent. 4. Belfry of Ghent. Standing tall in the city center, the Belfry of Ghent is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of the city's independence and power. Constructed in the 14th century, the belfry was originally used as a watchtower and housed the city's bells, which signaled important events and called citizens to arms. Today, visitors can climb the tower's 91-meter-high structure for breathtaking views of the city and its surroundings. Along the way, you'll encounter exhibits that detail the belfry's history, including the dragon weather vane that has become one of Ghent's iconic symbols. The climb is well worth the effort, as the panoramic vista from the top is truly unforgettable. 5. St. Nicholas's Church. Located just a stone's throw from the belfry, St. Nicholas's Church is another of Ghent's architectural masterpieces. This 13th century Gothic church, with its striking blue-gray stone facade and imposing tower, is one of the city's oldest landmarks. The interior is just as impressive, with towering columns, intricate stained glass windows, and a stunning organ. The church is an excellent example of Celt Gothic architecture, a style unique to the region. St. Nicholas's Church is also an active place of worship, and visitors can often hear the sounds of choir music echoing through the vast space, adding to its spiritual and serene atmosphere. 6. Museum of Fine Arts, MSK. Ghent is a city that values art, and the Museum of Fine Arts, MSK, is a testament to this. Located near Citadel Park, the museum boasts an extensive collection of works from the Middle Ages to the 20th century. The MSK is renowned for its impressive holdings of Flemish art, with pieces by great masters such as Hieronymus Bosch, Peter Paul Rubens, and James Ensor. The museum's serene and spacious galleries allow visitors to appreciate these masterpieces at their own pace. In addition to its permanent collection, the MSK hosts rotating exhibitions that showcase contemporary art and emerging artists, making it a dynamic and ever-evolving cultural institution. 7. Citadel Park. Citadel Park, located in the southern part of the city, is Ghent's largest urban park and a favorite spot for both locals and tourists seeking a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city center. The park was originally created in the late 19th century on the grounds of an old citadel, and it features winding paths, picturesque ponds, and an abundance of greenery. In addition to being a great place for a leisurely stroll or a picnic, Citadel Park is also home to several important cultural institutions, including the Museum of Fine Arts and the SMA, the Municipal Museum of Contemporary Art. With its combination of natural beauty and cultural attractions, Citadel Park is the perfect place to relax and recharge. 8. SMAK, Municipal Museum of Contemporary Art. For those interested in modern and contemporary art, the SMAK is a must-visit. Located within Citadel Park, this museum is known for its cutting-edge exhibitions that challenge the boundaries of art and provoke thought. The SMAK has a reputation for being experimental and avant-garde, with a collection that spans a wide range of media, including painting, sculpture, photography, and video. The museum also regularly hosts temporary exhibitions by both Belgian and international artists, ensuring that each visit offers something new and exciting. Whether you're an art connoisseur or simply curious about contemporary culture, the SMAK offers a stimulating and immersive experience. 9. St. Peter's Abbey. St. Peter's Abbey is one of the most historically significant religious sites in Ghent, dating back to the 7th century. This former Benedictine abbey is now a cultural center where visitors can explore its beautiful gardens, cloisters, and museum. The Abbey's museum offers a fascinating look at Ghent's religious history, with exhibits on monastic life, the Abbey's role in medieval society, and its impressive art collection. The Abbey Gardens, which are free to enter, are a peaceful retreat, offering stunning views of the city and the River Scheldt. Throughout the year, St. Peter's Abbey hosts a variety of cultural events, including art exhibitions, concerts, and lectures, making it a vibrant part of Ghent's cultural scene. 10. Vrijdagmarkt. Vrijdagmarkt, or Friday Market, is one of Ghent's oldest and most vibrant squares. For centuries, this historic square has been the center of civic life in Ghent, hosting weekly markets and political gatherings. Today, Vrijdagmarkt is a bustling hub of activity, with outdoor cafes, restaurants, and shops lining the square. The market is still held every Friday, where vendors sell everything from fresh produce to clothing and antiques. In the center of the square stands a statue of Jacob van Artevelde, a local hero who played a crucial role in Ghent's history during the 100 Years' War. Whether you visit on market day or simply come to soak in the lively atmosphere, Vrijdagmarkt is a great place to experience Ghent's local culture. 11. Patershal District. Patershal is one of the oldest and most charming neighborhoods in Ghent, a maze of narrow cobbled streets lined with centuries-old houses. This medieval quarter, once home to monks and craftsmen, has been transformed into a vibrant area filled with trendy restaurants, cafes, and art galleries. Despite its modern appeal, Patershal has retained its historic charm, with its picturesque streets and well-preserved architecture offering a glimpse into Ghent's past. The neighborhood is especially magical in the evening when the streets are lit by lanterns, creating a romantic and atmospheric setting. Patershal is the perfect place to wander aimlessly, discovering hidden gems around every corner. 12. Stam, Ghent City Museum. For a comprehensive understanding of Ghent's history and development, a visit to Stam, the Ghent City Museum, is essential. Housed in a beautifully restored 14th century abbey, Stam offers an interactive and engaging look at the city's evolution from a medieval powerhouse to a modern cultural center. The museum's exhibits include everything from archaeological finds to multimedia displays, allowing visitors to explore Ghent's rich heritage in a hands-on way. One of the highlights of the museum is the giant aerial photo of Ghent, which covers an entire room and offers a bird's-eye view of the city's layout. Stam is a great starting point for any visit to Ghent, providing valuable context and insight into the city's unique character. Ghent is a city that seamlessly blends history, art, and modernity, offering a wide range of experiences for every type of traveler. From its majestic castles and Gothic cathedrals to its vibrant neighborhoods and cutting-edge museums, Ghent is a destination that invites exploration and discovery. Whether you're wandering through the medieval streets of Tattershall, admiring world-renowned artworks at St. Bavo's Cathedral, or simply enjoying a coffee along the Grassley, you'll find that Ghent is a city full of surprises and hidden treasures. So pack your bags and get ready to immerse yourself in the charm and beauty of this captivating Belgian city. Ghent is waiting to be explored.